Welcome to a journey through the stars as we explore the recent achievements and future plans of China's ambitious space program. Not so long ago, the cosmic playground was dominated by two major players, the United States and the Soviet Union. But a new dragon has risen. This Asian superpower, China, has been making significant strides in space technology, rapidly ascending the ranks to become a major contender in the space race. China's entry into this celestial competition was not without its challenges, yet with determination and innovation, they've managed to accomplish feats that were once considered the domain of science fiction. From successfully returning moon rocks to Earth, to landing a spacecraft on the moon's far side, to sending astronauts on the country's longest ever crewed mission in space, China's space program is nothing short of awe-inspiring. The nation's celestial ambitions do not stop there. With plans for a crewed lunar mission, a possible research base on the moon, and the exploration of Mars, China is pushing the boundaries of what humanity can achieve in the vast expanse of the cosmos. China's journey to the stars has only just begun. Let's delve deeper into its recent accomplishments. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has been a major focus for China's space program. Over the years, China has initiated several lunar missions, each bolder and more ambitious than the last. In 2013, China made history when it landed its Chang'e 3 rover on the moon, becoming the third nation to achieve such a feat. The U-2 rover, part of the mission, made significant strides in lunar exploration, giving us a fresh perspective on our age-old satellite. But China didn't stop there. In 2019, the Chang'e 4 mission made an even bigger splash when it successfully landed on the far side of the moon, a first in the history of space exploration. The mission's rover, U-2-2, explored this unknown territory, uncovering secrets about the moon's composition and the history of our solar system. Then in 2020, China launched the Chang'e 5 mission, which successfully collected lunar soil samples and brought them back to Earth. This marked another significant milestone, making China the third country to retrieve lunar samples after the United States and the Soviet Union. These missions have advanced our understanding of the moon in unprecedented ways. They have provided valuable data about the lunar surface, giving scientists new insights into its geology and potentially paving the way for future manned missions. China's lunar conquests are not just about scientific discovery. They are also about demonstrating technological prowess and establishing a strong presence in space. With each successful mission, China is proving to the world that it is a force to be reckoned with in the space arena. But the moon is not the only celestial body that China has set its sights on. From the moon to Mars, China's space program is reaching out to the Red Planet. With its Tianwen-1 mission, a new era of interplanetary exploration has begun. This ambitious mission, named after an ancient Chinese poem meaning questions to heaven, has made China the sixth entity to reach Mars. The journey started 7 months before the spacecraft finally entered orbit around Mars, a feat that is as much about precision as it is about distance. But the journey is far from over. The next phase is perhaps the most challenging one, landing a rover on the Martian surface, a task only accomplished by the United States so far. The rover, a six-wheeled solar-powered vehicle, is equipped with advanced instruments. Its mission? To explore the Martian terrain, investigate the distribution of water ice, and analyze the composition of the Martian soil and atmosphere. But perhaps the most exciting objective is the search for signs of ancient life. If successful, this could be one of the most significant discoveries in the history of space exploration. It's a bold question to ask, but one that could reshape our understanding of life in the universe. This mission is not just about reaching Mars, it's about gaining knowledge, pushing boundaries, and inspiring future generations. It's a testament to China's technological prowess and its commitment to exploring the cosmos. China's Mars mission marks a new chapter in its space exploration story, but there's more to come. The Red Planet is just one stop in a journey that will take us deeper into the mysteries of the universe. China's footsteps on Mars are a symbol of human curiosity and our collective quest for knowledge. In the words of the ancient poem that inspired the mission's name, we will ask the sky and the stars above to satisfy our yearning to know. And indeed, the journey to Mars is just the beginning. Beyond the moon and Mars, China is also making strides in manned space missions. The Celestial Dragon is not just content with unmanned explorations, it's also charting the course for human space travel. In fact, China recently completed its longest ever crewed mission in space. This mission was a significant milestone in China's space program, demonstrating its capabilities to sustain human life in space for extended periods. One of the most ambitious projects in China's space program is the construction of its very own space station. This isn't just about having a permanent base in space. It's about establishing China's presence as a global space power, independent of international cooperation. In a realm where only the United States and Russia have so far dominated, the construction of a Chinese space station sends a clear message about the nation's technological prowess and its readiness to go it alone, if necessary. This space station will serve as a hub for scientific research, technological experimentation, and potentially a launch pad for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. It's a bold move that will place China at the forefront of space exploration and will undoubtedly lead to many scientific breakthroughs. But the journey doesn't stop there. The completion of the space station is just one step in China's grand space agenda. It's a stepping stone to even greater ambitions. The nation's space program is already planning further lunar missions, explorations to Mars and beyond, and the development of advanced space technologies. While these achievements are impressive, China's space ambitions reach even further. China's space program has set its sights on new frontiers, with ambitious plans for the future. Not content with their recent successes, they are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, venturing further into the cosmic abyss. One of the most thrilling endeavors in their pipeline is the crewed lunar missions. Yes, you heard that right. China is planning to send humans back to the Moon, a feat that has not been achieved since the Apollo missions of the 20th century. But they're not stopping there. The Moon missions are a stepping stone to even greater aspirations. Imagine, if you will, a research base on the Moon, a place where humans can live, work, and conduct scientific research. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a real plan that China is working on. This lunar base could serve as a launch pad for further exploration of our solar system. Speaking of further exploration, China's space program is also keen on investigating asteroids and the outer planets. These celestial bodies hold the secrets of our universe's past and could provide valuable insights into its future. The potential for scientific discovery is immense. China's space ambitions are truly far-reaching, promising a future filled with exciting discoveries. With their relentless pursuit of knowledge and their willingness to push the boundaries, who knows what incredible feats they will accomplish next. One thing is certain, the universe is a vast, uncharted territory, and China is eager to explore it. So there we have it. We've journeyed through China's impressive strides in space exploration, from their lunar conquests to their daring journey to Mars, and plans for their own space station. They've reached milestones that have set them apart in the global space race. As they continue to innovate and push the boundaries, China's future frontiers seem limitless. With potential advancements in space technology and more lunar and interplanetary missions on the horizon, the dragon is indeed soaring high. As the dragon soars into the cosmos, we can only wait and see what new frontiers it will conquer next. Until then, keep looking up at the stars.